This is Mon Health Talk, a weekly program focusing on the dedicated physicians, nurses, and staff at Mon Health, the region's premier community hospital system. People with skillful hands and bright minds using state-of-the-art technology. We don't just practice medicine, we care for people like family. That's why at Mon Health you can feel the difference. Once again, welcome to this edition of Mon Health Talk.
Good morning. Welcome into the program. Our guests this morning, Guy Stewart and Marissa Galloway. They are recruitment specialists for Mon Health. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you so much for having us.
Hey, thanks for taking a few minutes to be on the program today. We so often talk here on Mon Health Talk to doctors and physicians and nurses and everybody who works there. So many people are long-timers, have spent their entire careers at Mon Health. And we're going to talk a little bit about how you can become part of the Mon Health family today with Guy Stewart and Marissa Galloway. But first, as we always do, you must talk about yourself just a little bit. Tell us about your background, where you're from. You guys probably know how this goes. So, Guy, since your name's first on the list, I'll pitch it to you first. Just tell us about yourself, your background, education, how you got hooked up with Mon Health.
Yes, sir. So I was born and raised here in Morgantown. I was actually born in Mon Health Medical Center here. Went and got my bachelor's degree at WVU in business marketing. Held several different positions when I realized I wanted to go back into HR. So I went back and got my master's in industrial relations and human resources back at WVU. Held many different HR positions in different organizations and really found my home here at Mon Health and in recruitment specifically.
What drew you to HR, Guy?
Well, I worked with several organizations, and some were really great about HR and culture, and some certainly had some room for improvement. And I wanted to be part of the answer to giving a great culture to our employees. And Mon Health gave me that home to help us grow and build career ladders and help our employees succeed so they can go on and provide excellent patient care.
Marissa, same to you. Tell us about your background.
Yeah, so I am from a very small town in Pennsylvania called Scottsdale, and I recently moved to Morgantown to take this position with Mon Health, actually. I have an undergraduate degree from St. Mary's College at Notre Dame, Indiana, in communication studies, and I have 2 minors in public relations and advertising. I'm currently obtaining my master's degree in HR leadership from WVU right now. And I did an internship in Morgantown while I was doing my undergrad, and all of my colleagues really raved about Mon Health and their experience as a patient, and I knew I wanted to work at an organization like that.
Well, guys, I appreciate you coming on the show today. If you hadn't guessed, Mon Health is hiring. And, Guy, what are some of the positions you're currently looking to fill?
Well, we've got a wide range of positions we're looking to fill, everything from food service workers, housekeepers, or the non-clinical side. Also on the clinical side, clinical assistants, RNs, medical assistants, LPNs, insurance claims reps, a wide spectrum of different opportunities here at Mon.
And, you know, Marissa, we often think, okay, if I'm going to go work for Mon Health, well, I've got to have some background in the medical field, or it has to be a healthcare type job. A Guy right off the bat there mentions there are a lot of opportunities that don't necessarily have to do with anything within the medical industry.
Yeah, that's correct. We offer a wide variety, like Guy said, of positions, both clinical and non-clinical. However, if you do have an interest in a clinical position, we do offer a lot of training support and a lot of programs to help you obtain that education and that experience.
And Marissa, are there bonuses for folks who come on at Mon Health?
Yes, absolutely. Most of the roles we had mentioned offer sign-on bonuses. They range from $2,500 to $20,000.
Guy, what positions, either clinical or non-clinical for that matter, are in most demand right now?
Well, of course, there's an RN shortage nationwide, so we're always looking for RNs. But we have a lot of demand for medical assistants and LPNs, not only in acute care here at the hospitals, but also in our many outpatient clinics. So for all the MAs and LPNs out there, they're looking for maybe a little bit more work-life balance, not working weekends or taking call. Maybe one of those outpatient clinics would be a great step in your career.
Guy Stewart and Marissa Galloway are joining us this morning. They are recruitment specialists with Mon Health. Mon Health is now hiring. Are you accepting, Marissa, are you accepting applications? Are you doing walk-up interviews, career fairs? How are you looking for people?
Absolutely. So everyone is always, welcome to apply online. However, we are offering every Wednesday now an open interview day. The public is welcome to come into the Mon Health Medical Center on Wednesdays from 11 to 2 for an open interview. They will be actually able to meet the hiring manager and the rest of the team and see, what would be a good fit.
Guy, why do walk-up interviews once a week like that?
Well, it gives candidates an opportunity to come see the facility, to meet some of the managers they could potentially be working with, and really see everything that Mon has to offer. We have an incredible culture here, and you really get the full experience when you're here on site. And
Marissa, if someone wants to, participate in one of those walk-up interviews, what do they need? Do they need to bring anything with them? Resume, application? What does somebody need to do to be prepared?
Yeah, absolutely. Always we suggest, bringing their resume or their work experience with them so they can go over that with the manager. However, just coming in and being able to meet with the hiring manager themselves is good enough for us.
Guy, what is the employee referral bonus program?
So for many of our bonus-eligible positions for sign-on bonuses, if one of our employees refers one of their friends or former peers, they will get a match of that bonus on the referral side. So not only will the new employee get the bonus, but also the current employee that referred them.
Guy Stewart and Marissa Galloway are our guests this morning. They are recruitment specialists with Mon Health. Mon Health is hiring. We'll talk more about it as we continue Mon Health Talk right here on WAJR.
Now back to Mon Health Talk, a discussion of the issues, people, and procedures in healthcare today. If you have a question for one of our healthcare guests, call now at 304-296-0041.
Our guests this morning are Guy Stewart and Marissa Galloway, recruitment specialist at Mon Health. Mon Health is hiring. And Guy, first of all, I don't think we've mentioned it. Where can I go get more information about Mon Health just in general?
Of course. So you can go to monhealth.com/careers. And again, we have our open interviews every Wednesday for those that are just tuning in. So if you're interested, come on down to the Mon Health Medical Center at 1200 J.D. Anderson Drive, and we'd love to discuss all of those opportunities with you.
Marissa, are there different which locations are hiring right now?
Yeah, so we're currently hiring at all of our locations. So the Mon Health Medical Center, Preston Memorial Hospital, Stonewall Jackson Memorial Hospital, Grafton, and of course all of our outpatient clinics as well.
All right, Marissa, I want to hear the recruiting pitch. Why should someone come work for Mon Health?
Sure. So Mon Health values their patients above all else. So if you're looking for a career that's meaningful and where you're giving back to the community, this is definitely the place for you. Mon Health definitely values their employees as well. I've never, worked for an organization that has honestly felt like home. So.
All right, Guy, let me hear your recruiting pitch. Recruit me to Mon Health.
Well, it's pretty easy to do because Mon Health sells itself. We really care about our employees. You can feel it the second you walk through the door your first day. People are making eye contact with you, waving at you, asking you if you're new. It really does feel like a big family. We put a lot of effort into our career ladders and building the growth opportunities within Mon because, as you said, we have many seasoned veterans here that have worked here 25, 30 years, and they've just been able to continue to grow their career within Mon.
Hey, Guy, why do you suppose that is, that you have so many employees who have been there, not 10, 15, 20, in some cases 30-plus years working for one employee? That's almost unheard of these days.
You're exactly right. In today's climate, there's generally every 3 to 5 years professionals are moving, but Mon is just different. Once you get here, you feel the difference, and you don't want to go anywhere else. There's plenty of growth opportunities within Mon, a lot of really great colleagues, different programs you can get into, and it speaks for itself. Our employees are here to stay.
Talking to Guy Stewart and Marissa Galloway this morning, recruitment specialist at Mon Health. Marissa, what are some of the recognition programs Mon Health has for employees?
Absolutely. So employees are recognized for their leadership and out-of-their-way service to patients, visitors, and their coworkers. We have the DAISY Award, which stands for Diseases Attacking the Immune System. It's an internationally recognized program that honors and celebrates the skillful, compassionate care nurses that provide every day. And then there's also the Eye Care Champion Award that honors Mon Health team members who provide quality service to their patients, support staff, and their families as well.
Guy Stewart and Marissa Galloway, our guests this morning, recruitment specialist at Mon Health. We need to squeeze in one more break, and when we come back, we'll discuss the Mon Scholars Program. You're listening to Mon Health Talk on WAJR.
This is Mon Health Talk, providing a window into the Mon Health system and the dedicated healthcare providers who work there. If you'd like to comment or ask a question, please call 304-296-0041.
Our guests this morning are Guy Stewart and Marissa Galloway, recruitment specialist at Mon Health. Mon Health is now hiring. And Guy, what can you tell us about the partnership with local universities with the Mon Scholars Program?
Yes, sir. So if you're a current nursing student, we do offer you the Mon Scholar Program. If you choose to be a Mon Scholar with a 2-year commitment with Mon once you graduate, we will give you significant tuition reimbursement, a sign-on bonus, as well as financial help with your boards and all of your practice exams, everything like that. Not only that, but you'll also get to spend time with our seasoned experts and the best that we have to offer to help learn from them and get that hands-on patient experience.
Is the first cohort still going through that program? I remember.
No, I think we've had a few cohorts now.
Has it been a few? Time runs together because I can remember. In fact, I think Mr. Goldberg came on the show and we talked about the rollout of that program and the excitement around it. And time runs together, Guy. Some of those.
No worries. No, we're very proud of our cohorts. We have some wonderful scholars that are currently in the program, and we continue to make that program flourish and grow.
Has that proved to be a popular initiative?
Oh my gosh, it's mutually beneficial, both for us, of course, we're building a pipeline with our community and our educational institutions, and it's a great way for new nurses to hit the ground running and have a job as soon as they're out of school and get that financial assistance along the way.
Of course, Marissa, you can talk about the atmosphere, the culture, all of that. A lot of folks they want to know the bare bones. They say, what are the benefits to working for Mon Health? How does that stack up against other employers? So what kind of benefits package or what kind of benefits do employees receive there at Mon Health?
Sure. So first and foremost, Mon Health really recognizes a work-life balance. They really promote that you're there with your family, your friends, and then that you come to work as well, because that is going to make you the best employee that you can be. But additionally into that, Mon Health offers a robust benefit package that includes health insurance, dental insurance, vision insurance. We also offer a retirement account with company contribution, PTO accrual, as well as, pet insurance and so much more.
Guy, your best recruitment tool might be just to say, go talk to some of our employees and see what they think. Again, there's a reason people stick around, decades on end at one place.
You're absolutely right. Just go ahead and talk to anyone you know that works at Mon Health. And as you well know, buzz marketing is sometimes that word of mouth is the best way to advertise. You get a very honest feel whenever you speak to one of our employees, and I'm sure they'll tell you what a great experience they've had working here.
Guy, this is kind of a more of a general question. Given the labor market, everybody's looking for people, whether it's the healthcare industry, academia, the service industry, this industry. Everybody's looking for people. So What sets Mon Health apart from all of those other potential employers?
Well, we get this question a lot. Even some of our savvy interviewers say, why should I come work here and not somewhere else? And again, we do offer that robust benefits package, but I think more than that, it's the people and the passion they have to providing care to our patients. We're a staple in the community, and everyone that lives here knows that we have a good reputation, and that's why many people that are locals come to Mon Health for their patient care.
And Marissa, I do want to make sure we emphasize again, there are both clinical and non-clinical positions available. So this is the last 30 minutes, not just geared toward, potential, physicians or physician's assistants or nurses. There's a lot of opportunity there at Mon Health.
Absolutely. We're hiring for, all realms. We have entry-level roles as well as skilled-level roles as well, positions as business planners and as well as, food service workers and housekeepers and things like that. So, from top to bottom, we're really hiring for all of those kinds of roles.
And for those people that maybe want to get into a clinical career eventually and don't know where to start, come speak to us here at Mon Health. We'll be happy to speak to you about all the opportunities. You can even start in a non-clinical role, and then we can get you tuition reimbursement, several different programs to help you get to where you want to be in your career.
Can't believe this just now occurred to me. Are you looking full-time, part-time, both, everything in between?
Absolutely. We accommodate all different schedules. So whether you want to work full-time, part-time, even just per diem, maybe you only want to work once or twice a week, we have all sorts of different opportunities.
And where can you go to learn more about different opportunities and even apply for a career at Mon Health?
So if you want to go online and apply, you just go to monhealth.com/careers. And again, every Wednesday we will be having our open interviews here at the Mon Health Medical Center. So if you want to come and speak to one of us in person, please come on down. We'll be happy to share those opportunities with you.
Have you had a lot of people taking advantage of those open interview opportunities?
More and more every week. As the word gets out, we continue to grow this program, which is very exciting.
How long have you been doing those open interviews now?
Well, we've done it for 2 weeks. We've done them sporadically in the past, but we want to make it a more consistent thing so people know that every Wednesday they can come and talk to a recruiter or a manager about those opportunities.
All right. Open interviews every Wednesday at Mon Health, and you can get more information, and you can even apply at monhealth.com/careers. Guys, Stewart, Marissa Galloway, thanks so much for taking some time with me today. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having us.